Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. I am so happy you are here today. My name is Miss Penelope, and this is your English grammar lesson. You are watching our channel, and that makes me very happy. Whether you are new to English or you are just starting your journey, this lesson is perfect for you. We are going to take things slowly, step by step, and I promise, by the end of this lesson, you are going to understand something really important about English. So, what are we going to learn today? Today, we are going to learn about nouns. Specifically, we are going to learn about two types of nouns. We are going to learn about common nouns and proper nouns. Now, do not worry if those words sound new or a little scary. By the end of this lesson, you will understand exactly what they mean. You will be able to use them correctly, and you will feel confident. I believe in you. Before we start, I just want to say, you are doing something wonderful by choosing to learn English today. Every lesson you watch, every word you learn, you are getting better. So give yourself a little smile, take a deep breath, and let us begin. First of all, let us talk about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word for a person, a place, or a thing. That is it. Very simple. A noun is a word for a person, a place, or a thing. For example, the word dog is a noun. A dog is a thing. The word city is a noun. A city is a place. The word woman is a noun. A woman is a person. Person, place, or thing, that is a noun. Great, you already understand nouns. You are doing so well. Now, there are many types of nouns in English, but today we are going to focus on just two types. The first type is called a common noun. The second type is called a proper noun. Let us look at each one carefully. So what is a common noun? A common noun is a general name for a person, a place, or a thing. It is not a specific name. It is just a general word. For example, the word city is a common noun. It tells us the type of place, a city, but it does not tell us which city. It could be any city. That is a common noun. It is a general word. Here is another example. The word dog is a common noun. It tells us the type of animal, a dog, but it does not tell us which dog. It could be your dog, my dog, a small dog, a big dog. It is just a general word. So dog is a common noun. Now, what is a proper noun? A proper noun is a specific name for a person, a place, or a thing. It is not general. It is specific. It is the exact name of one particular person, place, or thing. And here is something very important about proper nouns. They always start with a capital letter. Always. A capital letter means the big letter. Like the letter A, the big one, not the small one. Proper nouns always start with a big letter. For example, London is a proper noun. It is the specific name of one city, not just any city, but London. And look, it starts with a capital letter L. That is a proper noun. Here is another example. Max is a proper noun. It is the specific name of one dog. Not just any dog, but a dog named Max. And it starts with a capital letter M. That is a proper noun. So let us compare. The word city. That is a common noun, general word, no capital letter. But the word London, that is a proper noun, specific name, capital letter. Do you see the difference? Common noun, general, proper noun, specific, and always with a capital letter. You are understanding this so well. Keep going. Now let us look at many examples together. This is the most important part of the lesson. We are going to look at common nouns and proper nouns side by side. This will help you understand the difference very clearly. Let us start with people. The word teacher is a common noun. It is a general word for a type of person. Teacher, common noun. But the name Miss Penelope is a proper noun. It is the specific name of one teacher, me, and it starts with capital letters. Miss Penelope, proper noun. Teacher is general. Miss Penelope is specific. Great. Here is example number 2. The word boy is a common noun, general word, not specific. But the name Tom is a proper noun. It is the name of one specific boy. Capital letter T. Tom is a proper noun. Now let us look at places. The word country is a common noun. It is a general word. Country, common noun. But France is a proper noun. It is the specific name of one country. Capital letter F. France, proper noun. Country, general. France, specific. Example number 4. The word river is a common noun. A river is a type of place. Water that flows. General word, common noun. But the Amazon is a proper noun. It is the name of one specific river, the longest river in the world. Capital letter A. The Amazon, proper noun. Example number 5. The word school is a common noun. A school is a place where people learn. General word, common noun. But Oxford University is a proper noun. It is the name of one specific school. Capital letters on Oxford and University, proper noun. Now let us look at things. The word day is a common noun, a general word for a day, common noun. But Monday is a proper noun. It is the name of one specific day of the week. Capital letter M. Monday, proper noun. And this is very useful to know. All the days of the week in English are proper nouns. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They all start with capital letters, every single one. Example number 7. The word month is a common noun, a general word, common noun. But January is a proper noun. It is the name of one specific month, capital letter J. And just like the days of the week, all the months of the year in English are also proper nouns. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. They all start with capital letters. Example number 8. The word book is a common noun, a general word for something you read. Common noun. But Harry Potter, that is a proper noun. It is the name of one specific famous book. Capital letters, proper noun. Example number 9. The word language is a common noun, a general word, common noun. But English is a proper noun. Yes, the word English, the language you are learning right now, that is a proper noun. Capital letter E, English. And all language names in English are proper nouns. Spanish, French, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, they all start with capital letters, proper nouns. And example number 10, the word company is a common noun, a general word for a business, common noun. But Apple, the famous technology company, that is a proper noun, one specific company with a specific name. Capital letter A. Apple, proper noun. You are doing absolutely amazing. Those were 10 clear examples. Let me give you a quick summary of what we just looked at so you can see everything together. Common noun, teacher. Proper noun, Miss Penelope. Common noun, boy. Proper noun, Tom. Common noun, country. Proper noun, France. Common noun, river. Proper noun, the Amazon. Common noun, school. Proper noun, Oxford University. Common noun, day. Proper noun, Monday. Common noun, month. Proper noun, January. Common noun, book. Proper noun, Harry Potter. Common noun, language. Proper noun, English. Common noun, company. Proper noun, apple. Can you see the pattern? The common noun is always a general word. The proper noun is always a specific name. And it always starts with a capital letter. This is the rule. And you are learning it so well. Now it is time to practice. This is your chance to use what you have learned. Do not worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. I will give you some sentences, and I want you to think about which words are common nouns and which words are proper nouns. You can pause the video and think, or you can just follow along with me. Either way is perfect. Let us start with practice sentence number 1. Listen carefully. I live in a city. Now, which word is a noun here? The word city. And is city a common noun or a proper noun? It is a common noun. It is a general word. It does not tell us which city. City, common noun. Well done if you got that right. Practice sentence number 2. I live in Paris. Now, which word is a noun here? The word Paris. And is Paris a common noun or a proper noun? It is a proper noun. It is the specific name of one city in France. It starts with a capital letter, P. Paris, proper noun. Did you get it? Great job. Practice sentence number 3. She has a cat. Which word is the noun? Cat, common noun or proper noun? Common noun. Cat is a general word. It could be any cat. No capital letter needed. Common noun, fantastic. Practice sentence number 4. Her cat's name is Whiskers. Now, there are 2 nouns here. The word cat, common noun, general word, and the word whiskers, proper noun. It is the specific name of one cat, capital letter W. Whiskers, proper noun. You are getting so good at this. Practice sentence number 5. He works at a hospital. Which word is the noun? Hospital. Common noun or proper noun? Common noun. A hospital is a type of place. General word. No capital letter needed. Common noun. Practice sentence number 6. He works at St. Mary's Hospital. Now look at St. Mary's Hospital. That is a proper noun. It is the specific name of one hospital. All the important words start with capital letters. Proper noun. The difference is clear. A hospital is general, but St. Mary's Hospital is specific. Practice sentence number 7. My favorite day is Friday. Let us find the nouns. Day, common noun, general word for a day. And Friday, proper noun, the name of one specific day. Capital letter F. Friday, proper noun. Remember, all days of the week are proper nouns in English, every single day. Practice sentence number 8. She is reading a book about a planet. 2 nouns, book and planet. Both are common nouns. Book is general. Planet is general, common nouns. Now practice sentence number 9. She is reading a book about Jupiter. Now, Jupiter, that is a proper noun. It is the name of one specific planet, the biggest planet in our solar system. Capital letter J. Jupiter, proper noun. And one more practice sentence, number 10. We are learning English in the month of April. Let us find all the nouns. English, proper noun, a specific language, capital letter E. Month, common noun, general word. April, proper noun, the name of one specific month, capital letter A. You found 3 nouns in one sentence. That is incredible. You should be very proud of yourself right now. Now, I want to tell you one more very important thing about proper nouns. Names of people are always proper nouns. Your name, whatever your name is, it is a proper noun. It always starts with a capital letter. Names of countries, cities, towns, and villages are always proper nouns. Names of oceans, rivers, and mountains are always proper nouns. Names of languages are always proper nouns. Days of the week and months of the year are always proper nouns. Brand names, like Coca-Cola, Toyota, or Samsung, are always proper nouns. These are the most common groups of proper nouns you will see in English. And now you know them all. Let me also remind you of one of the most important rules in English grammar. When you write a proper noun, you must use a capital letter at the beginning. This is not optional. This is a rule. If you write Paris with a small p, that is a mistake. The correct spelling is Paris with a capital P. If you write Monday with a small m, that is a mistake. The correct spelling is Monday with a capital M. This rule is very important, and now you know it. Wonderful work today. You have done so well. You have learned so much in this lesson. Let us review everything together one more time so it stays in your memory. Number 1, a noun is a word for a person, a place, or a thing. Number 2, a common noun is a general word. It is not specific. It does not have a capital letter. Examples of common nouns are teacher, city, dog, book, river, month, day, language, country, and company. Number 3, a proper noun is a specific name. It is always the name of one particular person, place, or thing. It always starts with a capital letter. Examples of proper nouns are Miss Penelope, Paris, Max, Harry Potter, the Amazon, April, Monday, English, France, and Apple. Number 4. The key difference is this. Common nouns are general, proper nouns are specific. Common nouns do not need a capital letter. Proper nouns always need a capital letter. Number 5. Some important groups of proper nouns to remember. People's names, names of cities and countries, names of rivers and mountains, language names, days of the week, months of the year, and brand names. You have done such a wonderful job today. I am really proud of you. You came here, you listened, you practiced, and now you understand the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. That is real progress. That is real learning. Remember, the best thing you can do to improve your English is to keep practicing every single day. Even a little bit every day makes a big difference. Look at the world around you and try to identify nouns. Ask yourself, is this word a common noun or a proper noun? You will start to notice them everywhere. And if you want to keep learning English grammar in this easy, fun way, I have a very important request for you. Please click the like button on this video. When you like the video, it helps other people find our lessons. It helps more students around the world learn English just like you. And please click the subscribe button too, so you never miss a new lesson. Every week, we have new grammar lessons, new vocabulary lessons, and more fun English content, all designed for beginners just like you. Press that subscribe button and join our growing family of English learners. This is Miss Penelope, saying thank you so much for learning with me today. You are a star. Keep studying, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Your English is getting better every single day. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now, and happy learning!